Fifth way that you can make more profit in your clinic gym hybrid is think about what you can use your space for besides clinic and gym. There's a lot of opportunity out there, and a lot of the opportunity for the modern chiropractor has to do with something we call upsells. That's the business lingo for what we're talking about. An upsell is any additional service you would sell somebody that helps them get towards their goal either faster, easier, or with more benefit. So a common one might be if you go to the dentist, they do the teeth cleaning, and they want to upsell you on teeth whitening because you want whiter teeth. Or they upsell you on braces because you want straighter teeth. Those are perfect upsells, and they work well in that clinic to upsell model. We can do the same thing with our clinic gym hybrid. So what are some things people really value that we can provide in this setting? How about number one, coaching? Imagine if you had a nutrition coaching program where you met live in your clinic gym once a week, maybe Friday evenings, and then you provided off-site online coaching after that, right? How about education? You could run classes for new moms or expectant moms on, managing the changes in your body as you become pregnant and deliver, etc. You could charge for that education, which is a perfect upsell. If a young woman comes in who's pregnant and is complaining about back pain, you could treat her and say, hey, we also offer these classes you can take as part of our treatment here, and they're only $129 a month. Would you like to join us? Use your space as education. You could also increase your profit by using your space for workshops. If there is a perfect demographic you want to go out and find, educate about it, and it magically will attract those people. So my experience in our gym, we've hosted many workshops for golfers. Golfers want to hit the ball further. They don't want to have back pain when they golf. I've treated thousands of golfers. So if I provide education on how to hit the ball further and how to have less pain with golf, people come out of the woodwork to our gym, we educated about it, and then at the end of the education, when they now perceive me to be an expert, I say, hey, here's a program we offer. Would you like to buy it? Not everybody who attends the education is going to do that, but a lot of them will. Offer that education and use your space to expand your business. And especially works when you can find your perfect demographic and invite them in for a class. So if you work with ultramarathon trail runners who run over 50 miles competitively, offer a class on what they deal with, and you'll be amazed at how many people show up. So that's our fifth way to make more money or more profit in your clinic gym hybrid.